Audio Jungle.
Now let's see how to create this glitch text animation. First of all, we will create a new black solid. Then we add fractal noise effect on it. Now change noise type to block, and change contrast value to 350, change brightness to -25. Now alt-click on evolution, and type time multiply 3000. Now our animation look like this. Create a pre-compose by Ctrl-Shift-C, and choose the second option. Now hide the layer by click on eye icon, and go to Toolbar, select Typing Tool, and type whatever you want. Make sure your text align is center. Select text layer and create a pre-compose by Ctrl-Shift-C. We are going to add displacement map effect on it. Now change map layer to glitch fractal, and change both max displacement value to 0. We also add max horizontal keyframe at 5th frame. Now press U for keyframe setting. Come at next frame and change horizontal value to 20. We will repeat this step until we come to 15 frames. Come at next frame by Control and forward arrow. Make sure your last keyframe value is 0. Now our animation look like this. You can get free project file from the link in description. Only subscribed users can download this. Now add max vertical keyframe. Now press U for keyframe setting. Come at 7th frame and change value to 12. Move to next frame, change value to 5. We will repeat this step until we come to 15 frames. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for latest videos. Make sure your last keyframe value is 0. Now our animation look like this. We are going to add CC Griddler effect on it. Move the effect to upward. Now turn off displacement effect. Change horizontal scale value to 0. Now add keyframes of horizontal, vertical and tile size. Now press U for keyframe setting. Come at 2nd frame, change horizontal value to 10. Vertical to 2. And tile to 30. Come at 5th frame, change horizontal to 210, vertical to 15, and tile to 3. Come at 7th frame. Change tile to 4, vertical to 19, and horizontal to 280. Come at 9th frame. Change horizontal to 330, vertical to 40, and tile to 3. Come at 10th frame, change horizontal to 350. Tile to 2 and vertical to 17. Now come at 16th frame. Change horizontal to 154. Vertical to 25, and tile to 4. Come at 20th frame. And click on Reset. Now our animation look like this. Do not forget to turn on displacement effect. Now we select all keyframes and copy it by Ctrl+C. Then come at 2 seconds and paste them by Ctrl+V. Right-click on it, Keyframe Assistant, then select Time Reverse Keyframe. It gives a reverse animation for ending. Press Send to end the work area. Now our animation look like this. Now we create RGB effect. Select both layer pre-composites, we call it Simple Glitch. We are going to add Shift Channels effect on it. We take red from red, and turn off green and blur colors in Shift Channel. Now duplicate the layer by Ctrl+D. In this layer, we take blue from blue, and turn off red and green colors. Again duplicate it. But in this layer, we take green from green, and turn off red and blue colors. We also change blend mode to screen. Now select all layer and press P for position. We come at first frame and add position keyframes. Now come at 22nd frame and add position keyframes. Now we change the position value of all layer, so it gives us a nice RGB color. Select all keyframes and move it to back. Now copy and paste the all keyframes. Come at next keyframe, and change the position value of all layers. Move last keyframe to next frame. And change the position value of all layers. Now our animation look like this. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for latest videos. Select all keyframe and copy it by Ctrl+C. Then come at 2 seconds and paste it by Ctrl+V. Right-click on it, Keyframe Assistant, then select Time Reverse Keyframe. It gives a reverse animation for ending. Now we repeat this process on both layers. Now our animation look like this. Select all layers and create a pre-compose by Ctrl+Shift+C, we call it RGB Glitch Effect. Our glitch text animation is ready. Now we edit the main text. Then this glitch animation also apply on it. Please do not forget to download project file from the link in the description. But only subscribers can download it. I hope this glitch text tutorial help you to make your own animation. Please like this video and subscribe the channel to motivate us, and see you in next tutorial. Jungle. Audio.